How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to check your Google Workspace calendar. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually check your Workspace calendar is quite simple. All you just have to do is log into your Google account, uh, go to Google Workspace or admin.googleworkspace, and basically just follow this path here. So, like I said, log into your account and navigate to the admin console. And when you do, it should look a little something like this, as you guys can see. So the admin console takes you to the applications tab where you'll find the calendar. So basically just follow this path right here. So apps, Google Workspace, calendar, and click on service status. And you actually have the option to toggle this on and off, as it says so here. To turn a service on or off for everyone in your organization or workspace, click on for everyone or off for everyone, and then click save. Now, optionally, to turn a service on and off for an organizational unit, you can set it just so that they can't, only a certain team of people can't access the, or rather, I should say, specific features of the workspace. So let's say that you only want to make the calendar available to some people in the higher ups or whatever, just an example scenario, then you can absolutely do that too. So yeah, that's how you guys do it. That's how you can check your Google Workspace calendar on Google. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guys like these daily. So if you want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.